Currently we are in Thika. So my friend just stopped to pick up something from the shop. We are actually visiting a farm in Nanyuki, and she is a vet, so she's picking the essentials that she's going to use to treat the animals. And it's actually my first time being in Nanyuki. Still waiting for my friend, but guess what? Someone visited me. Look at that cat. Oh my god. She's so beautiful. Look at this. Look at these avocados. We just got a grandma who is selling them outside here. I think it is Makongeni. So this is the famous Del Monte farm. Look at where your Del Monte juice comes from. All these are pineapples. We are now in Karatina. We are entering the town. Je, wewe huku tu ni DCP damu. Nanyuki and Nanyuki towards Isiolo, Marsabit. The road looks nice. That is going to Sagana Lodge. Sagana Lodge. Now ni kama inarudi nyuma. Itaenda irudi. Hiyo ya Sagana. Huko ni State Lodge. Unajua Sagana. Oh, okay. Sasa tumeingia njia kama na Kiganjo, Nyeri. Yeah, you can still use this route to go to Nyeri. We had to stop over for some break. So guys, this is Bantu, Africa. We've just visited here to get something, and I have something amazing to show you. Look at that swimming pool. This place looks beautiful. Kind of happy. Kaa hapo. Kaa hapo tu. Uko fine. their produce is what they sell here. Chaka police station. It's funny seeing a man in a pink in a pink tracksuit. I prefer the purple ones. But hey, nazo hizi colors.
Naona simu.
Simu ya nini sahi? Muko kazi ni like ukue kazi yenye iko demanding alafu ukue na simu. Unakuwa distracted, unaanza kupiga kureceive. This is Naru. So kumbe it is Naru. How flat this place is. Oh my god. I just saw a rhino. It's over there, but it is camouflaging. It's camouflaging with the environment. And it is big. And that was a white rhino. Kwani kuna white rhino? Hata wale. And it is huge. Wait. That is a rhino. It is huge. Not huge, ama big. Oh, it is an elephant. No, it is a rhino. Solio Game Reserve. So good. Bye. So guys, I am seeing giraffes, I'm seeing rhinos, and I'm seeing what else? Where there are many giraffes and rhinos. Very many of them. They are sleeping over there, but my camera can't zoom, so they are over there, but I can't actually see them well because antelopes. Yeah. Hii ni species tu ya yenye inakaa hivi.
Mbona wamenona hivi?
Si ndio, ni species inakaa hivi. Inatoshana ng'ombe. Yes. Kwanza ukiwa Masai Mara ndio utaona sijui ni species ngapi ya antelopes. There are very many species.
Zinakaa poa.
Kwanza nyama ya hii ukipata.
Kuna anthrax.
Hey guys. Ati anthrax na tutachoma hiyo anthrax itaisha. Guys, wametuangalia. Hai, cheki. Innocence danger. Innocence danger. This is Solio Ranch. They've decided to start going away. Sababu wameona hapa no.
Can we go?
Yes. We can go. Bye bye antelopes. Sasa Eddie, how are you? Marisela. Sasa. Yes guys. We are at the farm and these are the animals. They look so nice. These are actually pure Fresians. Look at them. Sasa. Twende tuone wakikamua kidogo.
Very cool animal. No stress.
Ni ya mahindi na imeiva vizuri. Anaongeza dawa gani?
Inakuanga moto.
I think inakuanga molasses.
Sasa zilikuja juzi.
Okay, ni fresh.
Lakini wanaongeza molasses.
Kameiva vizuri. So wakisha kamuliwa sahii mnawapea. Alafu jioni pia wakikamuliwa. Utu vitu ni twa nini?
Ya maji. Si ya maji.
Ni water source. Nikifinya hivyo maji inakuja.
Kuja watu kama hivi. Hiyo ni vile haina tap yake ya ku.
But hii ime
Hiyo iko na tap. Sasa kifinya hapo maji inatoka. Sasa kama maji imeisha kabisa. Ng'ombe inachukua mdomo na inaingiza hapo. Kama imeisha.
Inapata kamaji.
Inapata maji.
Hi rabbits. Hi rabbits. Hi rabbits. They are enjoying sweet potato vines. Look at the cute babies. Some more. Look at those nests. I'm surprised by these nests. See how many they are. Plus we have some people resting here. Hi birds. Look at these nests. The birds living here literally wake you up at, is it 5 or 6 in the morning? You can't have peace when sleeping, but anyway, they normally sing sweet melodies, so So guys, our journey was a success, and this place is sunny. Oh my god, you can't imagine how I'm feeling right now. It's sunny, it's dry, it's dusty, but anyway, we made it. At least I have gotten a chance to visit this place, and I will be coming back again. It's actually one of the biggest dairy farms here, and I have enjoyed. So this is us, and I wanna close our video here. I hope you enjoy it just as I have. Oh, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, because I'll be visiting many places as well, either a farm or just something, just some adventure. So thank you. Cheers.